Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. The Rotterdam village in Limpopo is reeling from a devastating tragedy. A missing teenage girl was found dead, and her father was later discovered dead also. Police in Hlanganani in Giyani have opened a murder case after the body of a 15-year-old Shilabeko Suke was found inside a one-room house at Rotterdam village. Shilabeko was reported missing on Monday, 22nd of December 2025, after she allegedly left home with a dead Peter Temba Baloyi, 45 years old, who was said to be traveling with her to Giyani. The search took a very tragic turn on Thursday morning, 25th of December, when police were alerted to a body at Peter's residence. On arrival, the girl's paternal grandmother pointed out Shilabeko's body inside the house with stab wounds. She was already dead, and a murder case was immediately opened. Unfortunately, later that same day at about 6 p.m., cops were called back for another tragic again. On the 26th of December, when police went back, they discovered yet again another horrible situation than the one they have just discovered. Following intensive investigations, Peter's body was found hanging from a tree nearby bushes at Rotterdam village. This is such a very tragic story, guys. I don't even want to lie to you, and now I just feel sorry for the family, because I know wherever they are, they have so many questions that have no answers. No one is here to answer their questions, and it's very sad, very, very sad. Like, what is happening? What happened? Why was Shilabeko's body found in the room and then her father found outside? Like, what really went down? Like, there are so many questions that one can ask themselves, and still there is no answer. But anyway, let's just hope that justice will be served